I will teach you how to pay your suppliers mostly in China via Alibaba's Trade Assurance portal while still getting protect from scam suppliers on Alibaba. There are lots of scammers on Alibaba that will take your money and run. You need to watch out yourself. Let's start out. First, what is Trade Assurance? Trade Assurance is Alibaba's order protection service which ensures your product is produced on quality, paid securely, and shipped on time. If not, Alibaba customer service via dispute resolution process will investigate, mediate and reimburse depending the resolution. You must make sure your supplier is covered by Trade Assurance. Look for the icon. You must keep your conversations with suppliers on Alibaba.com rather than talking in private or third-party app. Alibaba wants the chat history as evidence for disputes. You must create Trade Assurance contract on Alibaba.com, ask your supplier to, and make sure to include product quantity, product specifications, and shipping information. If you are arranging your own transportation, EXW, FCA, FOS, FOB, please make sure the shipping fee section is left blank as freight charges will be collected separately. Have attachments of your specification uploaded to your Trade Assurance order so Alibaba.com can refer to them in case of a dispute. Last but not least, make sure use only Alibaba's Trade Assurance approved methods of payments. This includes only credit card, fees of course, TT, Alibaba's version of bank's wire transfer, online bank payment, online transfers, Western Union, pay later, of course with credit application on Alibaba approval, and Boleto. It is important that the period where you can file dispute shall not exceed 30 calendar days after the confirmation date of receipt of products. Secondly, how do you buy on Alibaba.com? Use either the Alibaba app or Alibaba website. Next, you want to find supplier with product you are interested in purchasing. There are 3 ways to find suppliers. First way is search supplier with keywords. Step 1 is to go to Alibaba and enter keywords to search for products and suppliers who carry it. You always want to pick suppliers that support Trade Assurance. More on this later. On search results, you want to narrow your search by clicking Refine option and click Trade Assurance suppliers and minimum order size and prices, etc. Second method is to search with images. Go to Alibaba.com. Click the camera icon. Click Upload image. You want to search for products with existing product images. Max file size is 5 megabits as of this video. Third method is posting a request for quotes, RFQ, specifying your sourcing needs. You will receive matching quotes from different suppliers. With RFQ you can get quotes of custom request, let the right supplier find you, and close deals with one click. Step 2 is contact specific supplier to negotiate the product/order details such as product price, shipping method, shipping costs, etc. Step 3 after all the order details confirmed, place a Trade Assurance order online. More on this next step. Remember, for suppliers located in China, if you want more details, you can get their supplier report. You can search supplier by their name and get verified data to make better business decisions. Chinese suppliers follow strict supplier naming in China, such as supplier primary operating city industry in their supplier naming, and also whether they are trading company, meaning can export outside with license, or manufacturing, cannot sell outside because no export license. Next, how do I place a Trade Assurance order? Both buyers and suppliers can place a Trade Assurance order. For buyers, there are 3 ways to place a Trade Assurance order. First method is find a product or supplier that offers the Trade Assurance service. Look for the orange Trade Assurance badge on supplier page. Click Start Order on the product detail page. Second method is if you are chatting with your supplier, You could click plus in the left corner and click Start Order as below to the Place Trade Assurance order. After submission, the order status will be waiting for supplier to confirm order. And you can only make payment after their confirmation. Moreover, I will go over how to pay your trade assurance orders. You must only pay using Alibaba approved method to qualify for trade assurance protection. First approved method is pay using credit card. To pay with credit card on a PC, log into Orders and All Orders. Find your order. Click View More for details. Click Send initial payments on the order details. Choose credit card/debit card payment method. If you have not add card, click Add a new card to pay in USD. Pay now. Click Confirm and Pay. You will be paying as of this video 2.99% of the purchase price as payment processing fee. Payment arrives in 1 to 2 hours. Supported cards are Visa, MasterCard, Diners, Discover, JCB, and American Express. Supported currencies are USD, AUD, CAD, EUR, GBP, JPY, SGD, INR, KRW, MXN, MER, PHP, RUB, AED, BRL, HKD, ILS, PLN, SAR, THB, ZAR for Visa and MasterCard. USD for credit cards. Payment limit of $12,000 for each transaction. Second method is TT. Click Payment and select Pay by Wire Transfer TT. You must transfer money to beneficiary Citibank account, not supplier's private bank account, to qualify for trade assurance. Payment arrive is 3 to 7 working days for international wire transfers and 1 to 2 working days for domestic transfers, in this case within China. Payment processing fee varies by the bank and intermediary banks depending on the region. Supported currencies are USD, HKD, CNY, AUD, CAD, JYP, EUR, GBP and SGD. I recommend pay in USD for currency variations due to foreign currency exchange rates or supplier might reject it. Third method is online transfer. Select payment method as online transfer. Select country of bank account and the payment channel such as Ideal, Zofort, and Trustly. Click Access Bank Account to go to the third-party payment page. If chose Trustly, select the issuing bank. Log in to bank with login ID and one-time code. Select account and confirm payment. If you chose Ideal, select issuing bank and make payments. If chose Zofort, enter account number and PIN code. Then confirm payment. Zofort is no pay now with Klarna. Fourth method is Western Union. Select it under Payment Methods. Western Union fees are shown on the screen. Complete the Western Union money transfer with a local branch with the generated account information in 24 hours. Only payment less than $2,500 can be served. Payments arrive in 1 business day. Fifth method is using Alibaba Credit and use Pay Later option. You need to establish you self-credit with Alibaba to even use this option. Supported currency is USD and processing fee is free. Payment arrive in 1 to 3 business days after the loan agreement is complete. Sixth and last method is Boleto. Click Boleto can only be used by buyers who have registered accounts or delivery addresses in Brazil. Fee are 1.35% and cumulative 3,000 UDD monthly per account limit applies. Refunds take 10 to 15 working days. Finally, if your order did not arrive as agreed upon when final formal request for quote, RFQ, was sent, you can open dispute for trade assurance order. Only after payments received you will be allowed to open disputes, otherwise you can click to cancel order to close it. For this go to My Alibaba Manage Order. On the app click My Alibaba. Click the Order to Order detail page. Click Manage Order. On the order detail page, Click Apply for Refund to open dispute. Fill the dispute form, then click Submit. After submitting the dispute, please wait for your supplier's response. Use following tips on handling supplier disputes. You can check on dispute status on Order Management page and click View Refund Application. You can also escalate the case manually and request Alibaba Dispute Team to get involved from the 4th day onward, or wait for the automatically escalation on the 31st day. Respond with Alibaba Dispute Agent for timely dispute resolution.